up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be a wrap with us, me and my mom. My mom's here. This is Stephanie.
Hi.
So we are going to wrap up our presents, play Santa a little bit, and I'm also going to answer some of the questions that you guys asked me over on Instagram. So we're gonna be doing a Q&A. It's super hot in here, so don't mind us. I'm super hot. Are you hot?
No, I'm good.
Oh my gosh, I'm so hot.
You're
always
usually
hot.
always cold.
And this room is so hot.
I'm fine.
Okay.
All
Okay.
right.
So we got our wrapping paper, our tape, scissors, bows, everything you can think of. We have it. We have more coming out too. Let's get started. All right, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with a couple of questions and then start wrapping. So one of the questions that I was asked, how is Ava doing after her surgery? And she's doing really well. She actually was pretty fine, like by the end of the day. She was a little tired. She slept most of the day, but when she got up, she was her normal self. So that was really awesome. And yeah, she's doing great. So thank you for asking. How is it going to school? Is it hard? Are you finding balance? It's a little bit hard finding balance just because it's like a new responsibility and I'm gone for half the day. And then I come home and I have like stuff to do here at home with YouTube and parenting and household stuff and all of that. So it definitely is a little bit harder. I'm adjusting and I'm getting there, but there's a lot of days I'm so tired and I get nothing done because I'm just so tired, and it's been quite a few years since I've been out of the house working or in school or, you know, participating in life outside the house. So I just need to like adjust better and everything. So other than that, it's going well. I absolutely love school. She said, are you still doing Beachbody? And so currently I'm not working out right now. I try to every week. I try like, okay, it's gonna be Monday, I'm gonna work out again. So I'm not doing any particular Beachbody program, but I do plan to start working out obviously January 1st or even next week, like right after Christmas, which is pretty much January 1st, I think. So I plan to work out. I've been doing a little bit of yoga here and there. I have a yoga app that I follow, and I've been kind of diddling around with that, with just like stretching and stuff like that, but I'll start working out soon. Said, have you ever met a not so nice YouTuber? So I haven't. Everybody that I've met in person has been super sweet and super nice. So yeah. And Kristen's Chaotic Life, she asked, what is the most romantic thing your hubby has done? So I would think like propose to me.
I was gonna say the proposal was probably because it was such a shock.
Yeah, the proposal was super sweet, and like we were just going on a snowboarding trip, and it was a shock. It was like I wasn't prepared for it or anything. And so we went snowboarding, and then it wasn't even like, it was just like when we were private and we were in the snow and he rode it in the snow, and it was just like really like romantic and intimate and just us, and I really liked that. And I think because it was just a shock, so it was really nice. But that's probably, I mean, he's done a lot of other sweet things, but that one stands out the most. How do you do it all? She's so silly. I don't. I really don't. So I'm like, when I'm doing great, like making YouTube videos and like going to school, then I'm like slacking on household stuff, or if I'm keeping up with the house and going to school, I'm slacking with my YouTube. Like I haven't figured out how to balance it all. So thank you, but definitely not doing it all, but I try. I'm trying. Ava, this Doc McStuffin Doctor's Dress Up set. Yeah, she has all the doctor's toys and all of like the tools and things, but she didn't have like the actual jacket. Oh, and she also loves Ryan's Toy Review, that YouTube channel. And so this is a Ryan Toy Review game board, Ryan's Rocket Race game. So I think I found this at Walmart. This I got from Target. Oh, these bags are Target. So, oh yeah. So this is the Tricks Trucks. I got that for Ava because one day we were in this store and she wanted it so bad, and I was like, wait for Christmas, because I don't like buying my kids anything close to Christmas because they're about to get a bunch of things from Santa. So I just told her wait and see if Santa brings it. Oh, and then Ava loves PJ Masks, so I got her some PJ Masks like characters. Basically, like it's all the characters on that show. The deluxe figure set. And then these are like some little stocking stuffers, just like some
stocking stuffers.
Yeah, Hatchimals, and oh, and then slime things.
Great stuff. stuff for your carpet.
Right? I know. But it's nice because we have like, she always knows to like sit at the table, and we have these little like mats that we got from Dollar Tree, and we just set them up there, and she's really good at it.
Keeping it on the table.
Yeah, keeping Play-Doh, slime, everything at the table. So, knock on wood. We haven't had too big of messes around here. Oh, can you guys even see that? It's kind of blurry. Is this PJ Mask Defend the Headquarters or something? So it's just like the headquarters playset. So it's the whole thing, and it comes with a car. I think that's Catboy. So we got her that. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into wrapping these, and then we will answer some more questions.
Oh, it's Christmas time. I feel sad, I can't help it. Got you on my mind. I don't know how to cope this, because it's Christmas time, and I need you around, darling. So come home, so come. You keep me up all night. I try to figure this out, 'cause you left something for me under the Christmas tree. So baby, come home tonight and let me hold you real tight, 'cause it's Christmas time. Oh, it's Christmas time. Let us all come together. Let your love keep shining, and for always be remembered. Yeah, 'cause it's Christmas time, and I want you by my side, darling.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and answer some more questions for you guys. And my mom's right there. She can come on this side, but the lighting got really bad in here because the sun's gonna set soon, so it's like blinding us. So this is like the best lighting for all the windows and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and answer. The next question is from the Mama Lounge, and it is, she said, what is one of your favorite Christmas memories? So it's probably the fact that when I was growing up that we used to get together with my aunt and her husband and kids, my Uncle Kelly, my Aunt Julie, and my grandma and grandpa and all of them. So when I was growing up, we used to get together every holiday, and that doesn't happen so much now because we all live in different places and life. So that would probably be my best memories, just because it was like a tradition for us and it was like our time together. So, okay, my hubby from the Random Dad said, what's your favorite thing about Christmas time? Decorating, family, eggnog, presents, etc. So, my favorite thing, well, I love decorating. I like absolutely love the decorating part and just getting your house full of the colors and festivity, or like have it filled like festive in your house. And then also I feel like when we have like holiday decorations, it feels more cozier, more warm, like a home. So I definitely love the decor part. And then, I mean, obviously like getting together with family, that's a given, because a lot of times, and some of my family, it's really hard to get together anytime during the year. So it's like the holidays always bring us back together. Any more beautiful babies in the future? So I don't really... Be honest. Well, my mom said be honest. So honestly, I don't really want, like, I don't see having any more babies. Honestly, I don't really see how many. So honestly, I don't really see myself having any more babies. But my husband lately has been asking every day. I was going to use the word begging. No, so he's been asking every day, and he definitely wants one. But I don't know. So, and she said, what are your goals for 2019 and for your channel? So, one of my goals is definitely opening up my own business. I am going to start doing lashes and like facial treatments and all those kinds of things, and I want to kind of work for myself and do it myself. And I want to do laser really bad, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to find a doctor that will work at my, like, you know, kind of collab with my salon or whatever to kind of foresee over that, because I would need a doctor to foresee over everything if I want to do laser in my own studio or spa or something like that. And then my YouTube goal, well, my end of the year YouTube goal is to hit 30,000 subscribers. I don't know if that's gonna be there, or I don't know if I'm gonna hit that, which is totally fine. I love how many I have now and all of you guys, so it's totally fine. But you know, I would, by the end of next year, 2019, I'd like to see myself double and like hit 60,000 subscribers. So I guess for another goal that I want to see myself do for my channel is making sure that I'm still like doing weekly content, because I noticed it is a little bit hard when I go to school and everything like that. So I'm trying to make sure that I still put out content every single week for you guys. Asked, are you getting any help from your family now that you're in school? And I have been having, or my in-laws have been flying down and they've helped out a little bit. Nobody else lives here, or no one like really lives here, so it's kind of hard for people to help me. It's really just us and our family. And then she also said, I hope Ava is feeling better, and she is. Thank you for your prayers. How is Ava doing after her surgery? I already answered that, but thank you so much for your question. She is doing amazing. It was really a simple surgery. More simple than I realized until I seen how she bounced back. Bounced back so good. What are you studying in school? And right now I am going to school to be a medical esthetician. I know you just started school to start a new career. Good for you. Does that mean you won't be having another baby in the near future or ever? Love your channel so much. By the way, you're so sweet. So definitely the school isn't stopping me for having another baby or anything. Like if I decide to, like in 6 months when the program's over, you know, we will. And then I think that the career path that I'm, like the goals for my career in license is going to be more like, it's more geared to being self-employed. So if I wanted to like take some time off to, you know, be pregnant, or take some time off right after I have a baby or something, that I could do that. I just don't know if I want any more kids right now. So I guess we'll see how that goes and everything. I know the time's a ticking. Okay, and then Christy Rose XO said, do you plan on ever moving out of your current home, or is it your forever home? So it's not my forever home. We definitely plan on moving. But we will be here at least until Isaiah finishes school, because he's a sophomore in high school and I don't want to move during high school. And thank you for your question. How does your family feel about you going to school? So everybody is super happy about my decision, which is really nice. Yeah, everyone's super happy. My son is, and Ava's adjusted really well. Then all of my other family, like my mom and mother-in-law and all of them, they are super supportive too, because they just want me and my husband to do the best, you know, do the best in our lives and be successful and do what makes us happy and things like that. So everyone is happy. All right, you guys, so those are the presents from me and my mom and Shanam to all of us, to each other. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and our wrap with me and the Q&A. And if I missed anybody's question, I'm so sorry. I can try and answer it in another video, or just comment down below and I'll answer it. And I hope you guys have a great Christmas, a Merry Christmas.